PRO TENT company was established on the 22nd of September in 2003 by the company Thermal Power Plant Nikola Tesla as a company for providing services. The basic idea was to establish a company which will cover all those activities which previously had not been predicted by the Statute of Electric Power Industry of Serbia. Today we employ around 1,800 people. We have serious tasks and projects behind us. We record the results which are increasingly better from day to day. We take the responsibility for the future of our company. PRO TENT offers its clients a wide range of activities and services in line with contemporary trends in business. Being developed in accordance with the requirements of the market, we have developed several profit centers: Directorate and Administration, EMG services, electrical, mechanical, construction works and maintenance service. Then a profit center for providing services, restaurants for workers and security, and a center for environmental protection. Our services also include the following: maintaining of appliances against fire, intellectual consultancy, designing, skilled labor renting, physical technical security, production of risk assessment documents. The Directorate of Administration is in charge of the following activities: planning, management, selling, purchasing, sales tracking, marketing, legal, economic and financial affairs. PRO TENT has a certified quality management ISO 9001 standard. PRO TENT has highly developed EMG service, and it has formed the following complete groups: boiler and turbine group, a group for measurement, the regulation and management, group for elevators and crane maintenance, a group for safety valves maintenance, and a building group. Jobs of current maintenance, prevention and elimination of delays have become a specialty of our company. A team of people who gain their experience in the largest companies in our country, but outside the boundaries of our country as well, achieves remarkable results in this part of business. By forming these groups, PRO TENT performed the complex works at different facilities within the repair works at the Thermal Power Plant Nikola Tesla A and B. Great progress in recent years is recorded by the Elevators and Cranes Maintenance and Repair Group, which operates throughout Serbia, and in years to come, we believe it will be an important pillar of our company. The Electrical Maintenance Group also works with great success. Works on the installation and connection of measuring and regulating and control equipment received the highest scores of investors. All groups linked into the system are capable of large investment tasks to come. Services have been completed and we are completely ready for all types of maintenance of electrical power plants in the future. PRO TENT has accredited laboratory for mechanical testing of safety valves and mechanical testing of pressure vessels. We perform complete service and maintenance of all equipment, apparatus and fire engines from fire protection area in an authorized and accredited laboratory. We achieve very good cooperation with all strategic partners of EPS, and this is demonstrated with our working together on many jobs. We want to create a consortium with all of them, in order to be ready to realize the great works that are planned by EPS. With such a reference, together we can compete at the international market. Part of that, PRO TENT has already accomplished. We received very high marks from renowned world companies that we have been working for: Hitachi, Alstom, Siemens. And we are convinced that these companies will cooperate with us outside of Serbia in the future as well. We are engaged in environmental protection activities such as protection of the river Sava, regulation of ash disposal, working on landscaping on the territory of Obrenovac. We arrange parks, schools, suppress the grass on the train lines of thermal power plant Nikola Tesla A and B. For the first time in the history of TENT, the winds no longer raise dust at UŠCE location, because we covered the ash disposal site with grass, so there is no dispersion. This has greatly improved the ecological image of the whole territory of Obrenovac. In the case of an accident at the river Sava, we respond with our mobile team. We perform the protection against oil spills by using safety net which stops the oil going over the river Sava. We use absorbents which we spill over the oil. The absorbents absorb the oil which is then collected from the water surface with special vacuum cleaners. At the end of 2009, PRO TENT company formed a profit center, restaurants for workers. Food service for employees in the TENT company represents a long tradition that has been neglected in recent years. We returned the reputation of the workers' restaurants quickly. A complete restaurant service is available for more than 4,000 employees and contractors in all power plants in the composition of the thermal power plant Nikola Tesla company. This includes restaurants at the thermal power plant Nikola Tesla A and B in Obrenovac, thermal power plant Kolubara in Crljeni, thermal power plant Morava in Svilajnac, and the workers' restaurant of the Minol company in Belgrade. And conditions and quality in these restaurants meet international standards. We did a lot of repair and renovation of existing facilities, which substantially improved the conditions for regular nutrition of workers. PRO TENT put its maximum effort to improve the nutrition of employees, especially with its diverse and wide range of delicious cooked dishes. In terms of nutritional values, quality food rich in essential vitamins, we regularly consult our healthcare specialists in this field. Friendliness and efficiency are very much noticed by our clients. The food quality in PRO TENT restaurants is regularly controlled by inspection and authorized services of thermal power plant Nikola Tesla. All necessary standards are applied. Our daily menu offers 3 types of meals, as well as fresh bakery and pastry, delicatessen and dairy products. In addition to the standard services, we provide catering services which are currently executed only at the level of the thermal power plant Nikola Tesla company. Thermal power plant Nikola Tesla A restaurant was recently redecorated, and all thermal power plant Nikola Tesla restaurants for workers, apart from cafeteria for employees, have special rooms for representative lunches. The PRO TENT company provides a wide range of services in the fields of protection and security of people and their property. We offer a full service for facility security, security and protection of persons, security and escort of cash, and security of public events. All this shows that PRO TENT is a modern company which is rapidly developing in accordance with the market demands. In order to remain the market leader in the field of these services in the decades to come, we invest in the most modern equipment, tools and resources. With our specificity, we occupy a special place at the labor force market, primarily in the thermal power plant Nikola Tesla company, with a tendency to expand to operations within EPS. Experience from the past, our current dynamic development and expertise guarantee that big investors on strategic operations and facilities at works and outside our country will find a reliable and professional partner in the PRO TENT company. Complete development strategy of our company is defined in the direction of large investments project in the energy sector. We are completely ready for all the demands of domestic and foreign partners concerning the participation in the most complex projects with our qualified labor force. Our expectations are high, especially when it comes to building block B3 in the thermal power plant Nikola Tesla company. Time and years to come we see as an opportunity to confirm high range and ambitions of our company. Despite the difficult years behind us, we prove that we have the facilities, people and knowledge, and that we are willing to wait for the new challenges.